How we doing, people? I'm out for another ride. Weather's a lot better today. We've actually got a dry day. Well, it looks like it's been raining, but it's dry for now, so that's good for me. I'm just off to see some family. I think as this video comes out, we'll probably be at 100 subscribers, so I just want to thank you all so much. That's amazing. And hopefully we can keep on growing. Yeah, it's actually a really nice day today. Definitely a change from how it's been all foggy and rainy. It's not been nice at all. Got just under a week for Black Ops 6 to come out, so I'm excited about that. I cannot wait. For anyone that plays COD, you probably know it's quite exciting. I can't tell if they're just swerving all over the road, or if they're dodging something. Or you can just see the fairlock. Wait for it. Fairlock booster. Up there. Don't know if you see my point. Hopefully there's not a lot of traffic up here because of that reason. The fair being on. What's that? KTM? Was it KTM? Or was it I can't tell. Might have been an Aprilia, to be honest. It's definitely more busy than it usually is for a Saturday. Yep, told you up, please. I don't know why I nodded at them. I guess if I nod at them, they'll line me, right? And they won't come after me. Either that or I've just brought attention to myself, one or the other. Find out when they turn around with sirens on, I guess. Oh, has this road been opened back up? Lovely. Please let me through. Please. I'm going. Not like I wouldn't have been able to anyway. Yeah man, what a lovely day for a nice little cruise on the bike. Well, there's a rain cloud up there. I hope that stays away. Oh, more police lot. He was flying, so it was on a ped. That was a ped, right? Bro was zooming. Not that I'm much faster than a ped, but you know. At least I look fast.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
No hate to the peds. Although I did get one on my CVT, but we won't talk about that today. Temporary lights seem to be everywhere at the minute. People playing golf, enjoying the nice Saturday. cyclist. Yep. I was going to say there's a nice path for them there, but it's not really a great path for a cyclist, is it? We're rumbling. Can that green car overtake yet? No. Could have went then. Like the cyclist, I'm sorry, but like, come on. At least tuck into the side. You know? I could have went then, but yeah, I knew he was going to go there. Yeah, I'm actually quite hot. And the cyclist always wins. I mean, I could have went to the front, to be fair. I just don't see much point. Unless I get stopped, then I will regret it. But, you know. Is that another police car? Oh, God. While I'm in a low gear as well. Don't like that. Switching to second, so I'm quieter. I definitely kept quiet there. That was definitely quiet. I'm not revving for you, I'm afraid. Not while there's coppers behind me. Although I do need to get past there. Anyway, this is going to be the end of the video here, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed my little journey. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra.